Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make Facebook post in just 5 simple ways on Canva. So first of all, you open your Chrome browser and then go to the canva.com. If you don't have a Canva account, make sure to make a Canva account. It's just a simple two-way step. First of all, you have a Gmail account and sign into canva.com. The Canva automatically make an account for you. Then just go to the create a design, and right here we are making Facebook post, so we can write Facebook post. Okay, so Canva will show the ad Facebook ad 1200 to 628 pixels, 12 Facebook app advertisement 810 to 450 pixels, Facebook cover 16 to 40 pixels, 924, Facebook events and Facebook fundraiser cover, Facebook poster cover, square, Facebook landscape. Click on this one, Facebook landscape. Now we have a Facebook square post. So we're gonna make a strategy for our marketing terminology, so digital marketing. So we're gonna just make a theme. First of all, we're gonna make a theme like blue color, like this one. Now we make a theme of our blue color. Just set it. Okay, now we make a theme and made it one by one. So pick this one, change the background into dark blue color. Now we're gonna delete this one. So we're gonna select this one and change into our design, like change the color into blue and change the orange color into darker orange color like this. Okay, we can remove this logo and change the black into blue. Okay, we can change into a little bit orange colors like this and this. Scroll down a little bit, add a page. Now we're gonna change the colors. So we're gonna change the color into blue and change the orange color into brighter orange color. So the blue color animation simple, so this is how you can make 3 designs for one theme colors. So we're gonna scroll down a little bit for more templates of digital marketing. So we're gonna select this one and change the color. So we're gonna select the colors and change the color into our previous theme, dark blue and orange. Okay, now we're gonna simply change the white color into orange. So 1 2 3 4, this is 4 colors. Like this one, best medical services. So we're gonna change the best medical into this color and the services into dark blue color. So this is how you can make a Facebook post in just 5 best ways. So hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further videos. of my channel.